How to change TikTok username before 30 days. So if you want to change your TikTok username before 30 days, then you are at the right place. Make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your TikTok application and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see the home page from where you will be able to explore the various TikTok videos over here. So in order to see your profile, you need to tap on your profile or the person like option at the right bottom corner, where you will be able to see your profile informations, and here is also your username. In order to go through the username, simply tap over the edit profile and here is your username. But if you tap over there and at the button, you will be able to see you can change your username once every 30 days. So once you change your username, then you have to wait for the 30 days to change the another one. But there is a trick or a solution for changing your username within 30 days. For that, you just have to go back to your profile and you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner and simply go for the settings and privacy. So you just have to report a problem to TikTok that you want to change your username, where TikTok will help you to do so. So just go and find report a problem, which is under support and about, and simply tap over there and you just have to scroll to the button where you'll be able to see submit a report. And here you can see you are opened up to a text field. Here you have to explain that you want to change your username, but it hasn't been 30 days that you have changed your username, so you just want to change it. You can explain your problem, and here I have explained that I want to change my username, but it has been just a week I have changed my last username, help me to change. So you can also write your own and you can go for submit option in the button, and by doing that your problem will be submitted and TikTok will give a response few hours or few days later, and you will be guided towards changing your username. So this is how you can change TikTok username before 30 days. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.